The most beautiful places in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel. The parish of San Miguel Arcangel, perched atop the city, is one of the most beautiful examples of architecture not only in the city, but throughout Mexico. Can't be compared to any religious building in Mexico. The monument goes back to the 1600s. Cañada de la Virgen. One of the best kept archaeological secrets of Mexico opened for visitors in 2011. It is believed that the site was also a destination for pilgrims, who made the long journey to learn from its resident astronomer priests. Sanctuary of Atotonilco. The sanctuary was founded by Jesuits in 1740 and built with high walls, giving it the appearance of a fortress. The church's essential is for the murals and oil paintings adorning its interior, regarded as one of the high points of New Spanish Baroque art. Charco del Ingenio. This botanical garden is just past San Miguel's western limits on the south shore of the Presa Las Colonias. The garden shows off the full diversity of Mexico's cactus and other succulent species, and many of the examples planted here are endangered. Hot springs. Did you know that Mexico's central highlands are peppered with hot springs? It's true. Down the central spine of Mexico are many volcanoes, some of which are still active today. As a result, the area is packed with natural thermal baths. Templo de San Francisco. Constructed across 20 years up to 1799, completed at the turn of the 19th century and designed in the neoclassical style,